I needed a project for a team building activity, so we can bring that team together. We had a need for a truck, a small truck, something to drive around, shop truck, to carry some stuff. So I thought about the Leaf and said, we got to do something with that Leaf, and it could be a truck. We're going to do something together.
We got the stock Leaf, and after reviewing a bunch of designs of pickup trucks that we have here at Nissan, we decided to go with a Frontier bed because of the size of the bed. We basically got the doors out of the way and cut the back part of the roof and folded it down. We just basically cut along the B pillar and C pillar and just folded it down so we could keep it intact until we decided what we were going to do with the window situation, because we still hadn't decided what to do. After reviewing the design, to where we wanted it, I realized that we didn't have to chop the bed of the Frontier because the bed is the same length, front to back. And we did have to modify the bed, cut 10 inches of the bed, side to side. We had to chop it and then cut about 4 inches from the height. We kept the stock interior, and we had to do a major modification to the back, of the cab. So what we did, we had a vehicle that was going to get crushed. We had to go out to the boneyard and take the whole back end of the Titan cab off, basically using some Sawzalls, because the whole back end of this thing is actually Titan, and it actually has a power window, which works, by the way. Nostalgic in this thing, and it kind of looks like a beach truck or something like that. So I said, what a better way than turn it into like a Woody or something like that, So I went old school, and I had some old furring strips in my garage at home that had been sitting there for years and didn't have any use for them. So I cut them up with my router and formed the edges, and I had some sealer and stuff that I put on them and put them in there, and kind of looks like an old 1950s truck now, when you look at the bed actually. So it was a lot of work, but I mean, with all the guys contributing, it was just a lot of fun.
We tried to keep the secret and be exciting for everybody. But we have visitors that they come and they see that truck and they go straight to what is it, and they start looking at it, so it makes a good conversation. Being a slick truck and not so tough, I think I see it as a boy, but a boy with a heart. It's something that we all put together, we all share, so it has a little bit of us in there, everybody.